Okay, so this one's gonna have to happen with the noise in the background, but I don't think it's that bad. So this is activity number 13 from the Raspberry Pico book, and this one's called Melody Maker. So as always, we're using a Pico and a couple of peripherals to deliver on some project, and right now we're making a melody. In this particular case, Happy Birthday. So right now we're using PWM type tones, and we set different frequencies, and we send them to a passive buzzer. And yeah, the aim is to show how various tones can be generated to make a melody through PWM output. So we are using GPIO 0 or pin number 1, and that's about it. So we take the output through a resistor into the gate of an NPN transistor. The emitter is connected to ground, and the collector is connected to the buzzer. So here we have a table showing us the actual frequencies of the 12 notes around this center, the A4 or around C4 or A4, which is the middle octave in the keyboard, and we can take a look at here at A4 at 440 hertz. Then we can actually, so we have this is the actual notes used on the melody of Happy Birthday, and here we have a duration for each of the notes to actually respect the tempo. So we can take a look at the actual code. Here's the code. First we import machine as always. From machine we import the PWM and the pin and the U time that we always use to be able to do delays. So we set PWM at GPIO 0. Then we set 25 notes in the case of this melody. Here are all the frequencies stated for all of the notes that we're using. And we're setting the duration for each one of the notes here. That's what this list is. So we have a list of frequency for notes, and we have a list of duration for the notes. Then after that we have a for loop, and we got our do forever or forever loop, where we call for all the notes, and we set our duty cycle for the PWM to be at 50%, and then we play second harmonics. We set the duration of each of the we wait for the duration of each of the notes, and at last we wait for 100 milliseconds. After the melody ends, we wait for 3 seconds, and we start again. 1, 2, 3, and so the LCD is just from the previous activity, and here we have our buzzer. Yeah, that's about it.